How to fix always on display not working in Moto G Stylus. First of all, turn on show always. Open setting now. In setting, search always on display. Now click on always on display and turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on show always on display from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Open setting. Scroll down, click on sounds and vibration. Click on do not disturb. And if you want to turn off do not disturb, then click on turn off now. After click on turn off now, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Scroll down, click on system update. Click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on system. Scroll down, click on reset option. Click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix always on display not working in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.